Are you trying to decide between Snowflake and Amazon Redshift? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular data warehousing solutions. Both Snowflake and Amazon Redshift help businesses store and analyze large amounts of data. They make it easier to gain insights and make data driven decisions. But how do they differ? Let's start with Snowflake. Snowflake is a cloud based platform known for its flexibility and scalability. It allows users to separate storage from computing. This means you can scale up or down based on your needs. Snowflake also supports various data types, making it versatile for different projects. Now, let's talk about Amazon Redshift. Redshift is part of Amazon Web Services. It focuses on speed and performance. It uses columnar storage and parallel processing, which means it can handle complex queries quickly. Redshift is great for businesses already using AWS services. When comparing the two, there are some key differences. Snowflake is more flexible with its architecture, while Redshift is built for high performance. Snowflake is easier to set up and manage, but Redshift can be more cost effective for certain workloads. In terms of features, Snowflake offers automatic scaling and built in data sharing. Redshift provides advanced security features and integration with other AWS tools. Both have strong analytics capabilities, but your choice might depend on your specific needs. Speaking of pricing, Snowflake charges based on storage and compute usage. Redshift has a flat monthly fee based on the number of nodes you use. This can make Redshift more predictable for budgeting. So, which one should you choose? If you need flexibility and ease of use, go with Snowflake. If you want speed and are already in the AWS ecosystem, Amazon Redshift might be the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.